My suit is finally done. Wow. Walking with these gloves makes me look like I'm an actual spider. Maybe I should give the name. Maybe I should give myself the name Spider-Man. Yeah, that sounds like a pretty good name. I should stop banging my head that I'm wrong. The name is probably mad. Okay, what was I saying? Oh yeah. Maybe I should give myself the name. What should I name myself? Oh, Spider-Man. That's a good name, Spider-Man. There's multiple crime rates here. That gives me the perfect opportunity to save some lives. Oh yeah. You know you done bad, right, sir?
What?
Yeah, you done.
I done nothing wrong,
bad.
sir.
I know you done good before. Oh God.
Oh my God. Oh
Wait,
my
you're
God.
a good person?
Oh my God.
Okay, I might as well let you go then. God, I killed him. A crime!
You're right, it's not gonna work.
I think I'm Mr. Tell gave me this technology. Oh, it's so much awareness.
Well, guess
A riot! A riot!
Hey,
That's no good.
this?
Ah,
You should not be here. We're busy doing a riot. Do you want to die? I got one shot.
You know it's big. Don't want to hurt anybody. Hey, no guns.
Whoa. What the hell?
Whoa, this is so hot. Super speed. Where did this hammer come from? Culture physics. Most likely he'll live, most likely he'll die. I hope it's hell, but most likely he lives. This looks like I'm the Flash.
Shoot it. Oh my God.
This makes me look like I'm the literal Flash. Mr. Telm. He's like Iron Man, but way better. You know, I heard about some crime in that area. I'm gonna go check it out. Wow, new thing to look at. Oh, my head. I should probably gain some control of that web swinging, man. This might get me hurt. After all, I'm only 17. Okay. That was like a year ago. Oh yeah, I'm only, oh yeah, I'm still 17. Just a kid. Well, I'm just a teen still, man. Uncle Ben will not be proud of me, but he'll be proud of me. No, don't. Some things he would have wanted me to do. I'm sorry! That was only a reliable weapon source. You're going to hurt me, huh? What? I'm sorry I'm gonna have to do this, but... I'm sorry! I'm sorry I have to hit you there in the family jewels. How about a second time? How about a second time? Right? You have a second time would have definitely hurt.
You're done.
Sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry you have to get shot. Oh, yeah. No. Oh, yeah, and the family jewels has to be there. I'm sorry. Woohoo! No! I'm in a VR game. I'm breaking the fourth wall today. Dang, these spider powers are making me go crazy today. Okay, this time we're going regular speed. Oh yeah. This way for some holding a gun. Oh, I'm so sorry. He'll probably live, right? I'm just gonna let go of this. I'm just a teen. Oh God! Oh God! Why did you kill your? Why did you shoot your friend? He's one of you! Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't understand what I'm doing. I'm getting shot. It hurts a lot. Why am I spitting bars right now?
This will hurt.
Of course it does! I'm done! My first day! How is he not knocked out? Reflexes! Oh, super knockout!
Come get some.
Don't forget for shooting me! I'm just gonna call 911. Right now, I'm constantly bleeding. Pretty sure someday I'll get used to it. Because what do you expect? They have guns. They have guns in the city. Hello, this is 911.
Blah.
Yeah, I've been trying to stop some criminals. Yeah, I'm a brand new superhero. I go by the name of Spider-Man.
Blah 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 blah.
Yeah, but also, during that process of me getting injured and hurt, I stopped the criminals.
Blah 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 blah.
Oh,
Blah blah blah.
we're in one of those buildings near the Empire State Building. The one with the black, the yellow. Yeah, those. Yeah, I'm near those.
Blah blah blah
Okay,
blah.
have a good day.
Blah blah.
First day as a hero, not going so good. Of course I know this is a rally. What do you expect for me to think? It's just driving me mad. I'm sorry, person, but see, I'm ticked off today. I'm ticked off today. I really hope I can get a job. What about the Daily Bugle? Oh, the Daily Bugle sounds good. The Daily Bugle sounds so good to work at. I heard that person who criticizes people, and I hope he does not criticize me. After all, I'm only a start. I'm like a superhero starter pack. What do you expect from me? Just to save a dog or an old woman from getting absolutely obliterated by someone who's faster than me by doing this? In real time I'm going like super fast like the Flash. In reality it's going like slower when I do it. But let's not get too mad about it. Because I'm grateful I got superpowers. I always dreamt I wanted the Avengers. But now that they're retired, I only got me. I hope I could become children's idols, but I hope they do not get by a spider. Cause I'm pretty sure some kids are unaware about what a tarantula and what a black widow is. Those are deadly. Yahoo! Oh, crap! What did I say? It was a crime! Hope I do not get shot this time. This is a better chance for me to show the public that I am a crime-fighting hero. What are those cars doing? I'm stuck them. You got me, sir! You got me, officer! Taser! Oh no, don't tell me this man got shot. Oh god, he got shot. Oh, he's so done. Is there another person? No. Wait, look at that. Is there like another crime here? You got to be flippin' kidding me. Okay, they will notice. They will notice. They won't notice. Okay, they're headed to. This place is actually pretty good. Well, it's a nice day. Better head home. Wait, first of all, where's home? Since this is pretty large. Oh well, I'll look for it. Let's go!